Your brain is broken. And no, I'm not saying that to insult you. I'm telling you the truth. Right now, your brain is hijacked by social media, by endless dopamine hits, by junk food, by quick pleasures. And if you don't take back control, you'll live your whole life like a slave to impulses you don't even understand. Think about it. When was the last time you sat in silence without reaching for your phone? When was the last time you worked on something for more than 20 minutes without distraction? Your brain is designed for survival, but it's stuck in survival mode. Constant stimulation rewires your neurons. It kills your focus. It destroys your discipline. It makes you weak. And that's why you feel stuck, anxious, unmotivated. But here's the truth. Your brain isn't permanently broken. It's adaptable. It can be rewired. Neuroplasticity, the ability of your brain to change, is your secret weapon. And you don't need years. You don't need magic. You just need to start doing the right things consistently every day. Because small actions, repeated, literally reshape your brain. So what do? You take back control of your dopamine. Step 1, cut out the poison, limit mindless scrolling, junk food, and instant gratification. Step 2, feed your brain the right fuel. Exercise, learn, meditate, read. Hard things release healthy dopamine, the kind that makes you stronger. Step 3, practice deep work. Train your brain to focus for 30 minutes, then 1 hour, then 2. This is how you rewire your brain for greatness. Your brain isn't broken, it's under attack. And the only way to win is to fight back. If you keep living like everyone else, your brain will stay broken. You'll stay distracted, lazy, and empty. But if you decide today, right now, to rewire your brain, in 30 days, you won't even recognize yourself. This is your wake-up call. Your brain is broken. Fix it. Start today. Don't wait. The rest of your life depends on it.